Some things to note with the double ombre French. You're going to need either a monocle stamper or an ice cube stamper. I do not recommend a circular small double-ended. It's better to have a stamper that has less curve and also has a bigger space. So that way when you pick up designs like this, you get the full designs. And also for the polishes that you're going to be using, I recommend using a mid-tone and a dark tone. Do not do a dark tone and then a light tone. It's going to be a lot harder to blend and it just takes a lot more finessing. And I don't recommend using polishes that have different viscosity or different textures. But my most important things is use a thicker scraper, use lots of polish, blend the design first before you continue to scrape, and use a 30-degree angle.